Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jiya's Drawing World, to a long video after a long time. And please like and subscribe to this video and give lots of love like you give to my shorts videos. So yeah, now I would like to tell you that whoever will give a good comment on my videos, I will choose one and give a shout out of it. And our target of the next month is till 150 subscribers we have to come. So without wasting our time, you start drawing with me and enjoy.